This is Louie. We're faking a Ghostbusters. We're actually a non-profit.
It's just a picture of Jesus without the using
in the car and drive over to the museum. We got up at the Holland Tunnel and I screamed because I did not know this building was real. And they're like, what happened? The Ghostbusters firehouse is here. And I'm sure a lot of you had this reaction. My parents, and I'm sure a lot of your parents, probably don't get that reaction. But we're here, we love it. And this is an exciting time. I love doing the annual film location tour because, as all of you know, there are currently 321 Ghostbuster fan groups worldwide. And I know this because I'm one of the co-founders of whoyougonacall.org. And make sure if you're in a Ghostbuster group to have your group listed on whoyougonacall.org. Pretty cool, right? But what's most exciting is you are in New York City as a Ghostbuster. I love taking people around New York City as a Ghostbuster because it's such a different experience. New York loves Ghostbusters, okay? They don't care about accuracy. They don't care who you are. They care about you're suited up in the town that Ghostbusters started in, and as we're marching out of the subway, we're going to have an experience that is second to none as you just hang on. Hello. I'm blown away. Here we go. As I said, you'll blow away all the New Yorkers. You might think New Yorkers are very grumpy, but they are very different when they see the Ghostbusters. And we're going to be marching down and have a great time. Anyone have any questions? Who's ready to do this? All right, before we do, be sure to take some pictures. Yeah, there's a question right over here. We're going there first. We're getting off, I hate to say this, we're going to a place that all New York. We're taking the 1 train to Times Square. I know. It's very important that you look for Ghostbusters with the Apple logo on their sleeve. Raise your hand if you're a New York City Ghostbuster. Raise your hand. Oh, most of them have an Apple. They will be luring you around, corralling you all through New York City. If you have any questions, look for them. We're going to go on to our next stop, the New York Public Library on 5th Avenue in, what's on the first one? Like 5 minutes. Okay, we'll head out in 5 minutes. We'll make 3:55. 3:55 sound good for everyone? That's 7 minutes?
Yeah.
All right. Thank you, and I'll see you on the other side.
Live 3:18.